Hello, my faithful friends. I'm so glad that you joined me today. I'm going to talk a little bit about the parietal lobe of your brain, which is located on the top of your head, basically. And this lobe of your brain is responsible for many things, but one of them is our sense of touch and how things feel on our body. So, if your person is super uncomfortable, their clothing just might not be comfortable on their body. The parietal lobe is also responsible for regulating our body temperature. And I'm sure that if you have taken care of someone or any multiple people with dementia, they're almost always cold, right? So they have a very difficult time regulating their body temperature. The parietal lobe of the brain also is responsible for our pain receptors and how we interpret pain, and also our spatial relationship, like what is going on around us, how far distance things are from us. So you can imagine if this part of your brain is under attack, how that might affect how someone acts and behaves in their environment. For a lot more tips and tricks, head on over to answersabout.alz.org. That website again, answersabout.alz.org, for lots of free stuff.